Hey, what's up and welcome to this video. So, in this video we will prepare everything for you to get started on Instagram, because in the next module I will first of all give you like the golden blueprint. I will give you the big picture and everything, but after that we will jump into Instagram secrets, and we will then talk about how to build your following, how everything works. But before that we have to do some preparation, because like if you without preparation jump into something, if you for example build a funnel, or if you want to get to $100,000 without having any preparation, if you don't have the right foundation, then you will do lots of mistakes and you will probably not reach your goal, because it will take you a long time and you do too many mistakes and you like get punched in the face and then you give up. Okay, so that's why we are doing the right preparation right now, so that you're best prepared, that you have the right foundation to get started on Instagram, so that you can make your first $1,000 and then $100,000 and then $1 million, right? So at the beginning, when it comes to Instagram, the first thing that you really have to decide is, do you want to start a personal brand? Like, do you want to show yourself and tell your story and everything? Or do you want to create a brand account, or like have a brand account where you don't show yourself, or only sometimes show yourself, and where your feed like is not about yourself, but where you just put up, for example, business content or motivational quotes or like fitness content or whatever, right? So you have these two different options. You can create a brand account, for example, like a business account, a motivational quotes account, or like account for your company. It doesn't matter, right? Or you can create a personal brand where you show yourself, where you show your story, where you show what your life looks like. Okay, that's the first decision that you have to make. For example, my account at Niklas Pette, it's a personal brand, right? I show myself, I document my story, I show you guys what I do. I show myself. My feed is full of me. And I also have like another account. It's called Fuck Millions Make Billions. There's like over 500,000 followers. Another account that I have is Words for Millionaires. Like I grew it from 0 to 100,000 followers in just a short period of time, like a few months. And that's a brand account. I post motivational quotes on it. Okay, and what you then like, I have to decide. First of all, I have to decide that. That's step number one: is do you want to start a personal brand or brand account, right? Like the good thing about a brand account is that it's easier to grow. The good thing about a personal brand is that it's easier to make money with it, because when you have a personal brand, you build a strong connection with your followers, and then it's gonna be easier to turn those followers into paying customers. Okay. But it doesn't really matter what you choose. Like if you don't want to show yourself, go for a brand account. If you want to show yourself, document your story. If you want to put out your message and what you do, if you want to help people as a person, then go for a personal account. It doesn't really matter, right? So it's just like, it's about what you want to do, whether you want to show yourself or not, okay? That's the first thing. Figure that out, write it down, maybe like pause this video now and take like 5 minutes or something and figure that out. Then the next step is you have to choose your niche, okay? Because when it comes to Instagram, you have to follow a red line, right? If you, for example, one day post motivational quotes, then business content, then fitness content, then you post food content, then like when you post the business content, people who like business content will follow you. The next day you post food content, those business people see it, and some of them will unfollow you, okay? So you have to follow a red line. You have to choose a niche that you want to go into. You, for example, go into the business niche, the motivational quotes niche, the food niche, the fitness niche. You can go into the travel niche, it doesn't matter, okay? Just like take 5, 10, maybe an hour, whatever, or 15 minutes, doesn't matter. Just take a pen and paper and write some niches down. Think about what you really like doing. Do you, for example, enjoy traveling the world? Or do you enjoy watching business videos? Or do you enjoy taking a look at motivational quotes, right? Just think about that. Think about what niche you want to go into. No matter whether you choose the personal brand or the niche account, figure out what niche you want to go into and think about what kind of sub niche could be in that niche, right? Because what happens on Instagram is there's so many big accounts, like there's so many business accounts. And the bad news is, like the good news is, Instagram gets bigger and bigger and making money with it becomes easier. But the bad news is that it will become harder to get followers if you go into a big niche that's oversaturated, okay? So maybe think about what could be a sub niche in the niche that you want to go into. So for example, if you want to go into the business niche, a sub niche could be how to make money online, or how to make money with real estate. That could be a sub niche, right? So think about the niche and then like decide the niche that you want to go into, okay? For example, business or fitness, and then think about a sub niche that could be in that niche, okay? So that you can then maybe later on, instead of going into the big niche, go into that sub niche, okay? And then step number 3 is, I want you to do some market research. That's your homework after this video, okay? So what I want you to do is just go on Instagram, okay, and take like a pen and paper or like an Excel sheet or whatever, and type in just Instagram on your computer or on your phone. You go on Instagram. What you then do is you just search for the keyword of your niche, okay? So if you go into the business niche, then go on Instagram and search for business. And I want you to make a list of like 10, 15, 20 accounts that are in the business niche, big accounts that you really like, that you really enjoy. And then I want you to write down what they all have in common. Okay, write down what kind of logo they have, what kind of username they have, what kind of bio they have, what kind of content they put up, how often they post, how long the captions are, what kind of hashtags they use. Take a look at their stories, their highlights. Just take a look at everything and write that down. Analyze them, take a look at them, follow them, and inhale their content and everything on a daily basis, because you need the big picture. You need to understand what's going on in your niche if you want to be successful in it. Because you can learn from those people who are in your niche, and you can, by learning from them, take the best stuff from this page, from this page, from this page, from this page, add it all together, and then you will have the best account, and your Instagram account will explode, and you will be the best or in the top 3 in that niche, and you will grow really, really fast, and you will be the one who makes the money, right? So decide whether you want to start a personal account, decide whether you want to start a personal account or a niche account, whether you want in what niche you want to go into, and your homework is to do some market research. It can take up to 2 hours to do the market research, but I want you to do that right after this video, okay? Because this is the foundation, this is what you need to do if you want to be successful on Instagram, okay? So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will then see you guys in the next video, and I'm so excited for that.